Hey guys, welcome back to my video today at Scheels, and I'm gonna be showing you guys all the fidgets that are here. It's so much fun. Like, look at the Ferris wheel. Ooh. Look, it's so long. Okay, so oh my gosh, they have this. They have this dimple here. Let me get that actually. They have like these in different colors. They have a whole bunch of these. Look at all these. So cool. All these needles. Look at that. They're so cool. I think I'm gonna get those. Look at all these poppets. All poppets. Look at this. They have like specs here. They're on sale for $18. And then all the way up there, it comes with a puzzle bowl, a snake, and a Rubik's Cube. Look at these. Snakes. It's like a puzzle ball and things like that. Well, not puzzle ball, puzzle cube. More poppets. Look at this poppet. Pens. They have all these putties. So cool. Guys, look at this. It's like a picture thing. Over here, you can pick like what you want. I'm gonna do soccer. This is hockey, basketball, women's football, and baseball. I think I'm gonna get this along with my other stuff. I'll show you it when I get back downstairs. Look at all these puppets. They're only $5. And like unicorn, and a hexagon, square, circle, and a dinosaur. So cool. Bye. Okay, this is what I got. I'm gonna get this dimple, these 18 globulnitos, this mini pineapple poppet, and this like keychain pop that comes with these cute little accessories. Bye, thanks for watching.